Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install. The app is no longer available in the App Store. So guys, if you're trying to download and install some apps but you're facing this issue and you are unable to install, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. If there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and restart your device for one time as well. So I simply restart your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to language and region. Tap on region and select your country or region correctly where the app is available to download. So I simply check the country region correctly, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.